Alright, meteorologist Dean Davison, Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Hurricane Matthew update, 1:20 p.m., October 4th, 2016. Let's take a look currently at the satellite image. You can see the eye is redeveloping now as it comes towards Cuba, moving to the north. A north-northwest movement will likely start occurring rather soon. National Hurricane Center forecast puts this over the Bahamas. Hurricane watch now in Florida as it comes very close to the coast. Remember, this has a 220-mile radius. Then we talk about possible landfall somewhere between Myrtle Beach and Wilmington, North Carolina at this point, coming up through the Outer Banks and possibly Norfolk, and then coming out to sea just off the coast of New Jersey and New York City, before moving possibly over the Cape in Massachusetts if we continue to have this western track here with this National Hurricane Center official forecast. So let's take a look at two sets of models. We have the hurricane models here. Pretty good consensus that it will occur somewhere between east central Virginia and North Carolina out to the Outer Banks area for a landfall. Also South Carolina, and so these also take it very close to Florida. Look at the GFS and the model ensembles on that, same basic difference. So that's a good sign. This is the GFS itself. You can see we have a pretty strong hurricane here. Florida, lots of wind, rain, squally weather will start by the time we get towards Thursday and Friday. And the possible landfall we see occur here near Charleston, South Carolina. And then we see the thing move inland on this model, and this would affect Roanoke, Lynchburg, with heavy rainfall on the day, Saturday evening and Sunday. And as this moves north, will come through New Jersey and also areas such as Boston, Mass, and Rhode Island, affecting them as this thing becomes more of a hybrid system. So here's the European model, and you see what's going on here. You have the cold out to the right, you have a high pressure, and you have another the low pressure, and you see where the track would take it right towards the coast. So very much in consensus with each other how this is going to occur. One has just off the coast, while the other one has it on the coast, and that's the thing. So here's what we need to understand about Matthew. Matthew is going through Haiti, going towards Cuba right now. Devastating, Category 4, causing massive damage, heavy rainfall up to 40 inches in certain locations in Haiti. This will then move into the Bahamas, causing a lot of wind, a lot of surf. I would advise if you're in the Bahamas to be very careful, or evacuate if you can. Then we have a chance of possibly making landfall or being very close to it in the state of Florida. Georgia gets impacted, and South Carolina may also see a landfall, with Charleston, South Carolina, up to Wilmington, North Carolina being the areas with the most likely landfalling time. From there, we see it either go about 100 to 150 miles off the coast, or closer to the Delaware, Maryland, Philadelphia, Delaware Valley metro area. But still, we probably would have some issues there with water, as the fact is this is going to expand in its wind field because it would try to hybrid at that time. More information coming up soon, and a written update by meteorologist Jarrett Moore, also a Facebook Live by him, and Rob Greeno and Jarrett Moore will keep me updated with written blogs. I'll have probably another blog other this evening at the next, at the big 11 o'clock tonight update. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and please be safe and start taking some, doing some storm preparations. Thank you.